guys, what's up? How's it going? This one we're going to go over how to draw the robot devil from Futurama, and I'm going to be using the marker. It's going to be step-by-step for beginners, and you should be able to do it too, so let's get started. It's just going to be his like portrait, portrait version of his head. So I'm going to pull a straight line for the top of his brow, pull across, pulling a line down here, pulling a line completely across, and that's going to be his brow line. Ready for his nose. You gotta remember this is mechanical as well, so just gonna keep that in mind. For his nose, lay across, pulling in, pulling a line there, and that's his nose. It kind of looks like a Lego piece to me. His eyeball, which is hidden a little bit behind his nose, side of his face over here, pull across, I'm gonna pull a straight line over here. His eyes are really inside his robot eye socket. Pulling down. Okay, so what I'm going to do with the pupils, his pupils are square. So I'm going to try to square those out as much as I can with the marker here. Filling in the pit of his eye socket. When you do that, it's going to kind of shrink the eyeball a little bit. Going around to the horn. The horn has its own striations on it, so just kind of create that pattern here. Other horn. Has its own striations as well. I'm going to pull back the upper jaw, that straight line there. Line up here to his, he doesn't really have a zygomatic arch, but it's kind of a flat surface. Pull down. He's got straight up triangle teeth. Straight up, just evil triangle teeth. Pull out. Pull in. It's gonna be his lower jaw. His lower jaw actually doesn't have teeth. Down. His chin is pointed, pretty much. Pull back. Again, it's kind of like a Lego piece. Lower jaw. Pulling up. And his jaw is connected. Has like a bolt in there. And I'm going to draw the rest of the line here for his head. Let's go into his neck. His neck is just a straight tube and has its own striations. And it's literally, it looks like it's on a can. It literally looks like it's on a can shape. His torso straight up looks like a can. Let's have his arms out there since we're getting to that. And then his arm will come out this way. It's not about his body. and those have their own striations as well. What you can do is you can fill in the mouth shape, the inside of the mouth. I'm gonna do that, I guess. I wasn't gonna do that because it does change the thickness of everything. See, like the teeth, all of a sudden the teeth got smaller. But that's pretty much it. That's the robot devil from Futurama. Thanks so much. I appreciate you watching. You know, give me ideas for characters. Please contribute to the channel in any way that you can. For example, just kind of sharing the videos is just amazing. Just like I said, I'll keep updating this channel as long as there are people here to watch it and comment. I reply to every single comment. That's pretty much it, guys. If you want any extra help with drawing, I do have a Patreon. If you should go check that out if that, you know, is kind of your thing, if drawing's like your thing. But otherwise, I'll see you next time. I'll talk to you soon.